Hi, my name is Evelyn Zuniga and I'm going to show you how to record a batch of actions. So first before you start working on Photoshop, first you want to go on your desktop and create two folders, one called Original Photos and the other called Edited Photos. As you can see, the edited photos is empty because I'll show you how to transfer all your edited original photos to the edit folder. So I'm saying that because let's say you have a job that requires you to edit a certain photo style for a lot of photos, and you don't want to go through each photo and do each edit over and over and over again. So you create a batch of actions, which is a group or a folder that saves all those preset edits, and you could add that to any pictures that you like. So let me show you how to do it. You open Photoshop and you're gonna go ahead and press open or any of your recent photos. I have this one here. And what you want to do is go to Window. You're gonna go to Actions and make sure that it is checked. So now you have your Actions window open and you want to go ahead and click this plus sign that says Create New Action. And we're gonna name this action Plant Action. And as soon as you press record, it's going to start recording all your edits so that you could save this batch of actions. So once it's recording, you see that this is red. And I'm going to start off by cropping my picture, and I want to edit this out here. I don't want that iPhone look, so I want to crop out that black. Then you're going to see that as soon as I do that, the crop appears in my plant action batch. Next, I want to just adjust the hue and saturation. Let's say I want to make this picture look out of this world. I want to go ahead and change that. Maybe turn the saturation up. A little bit of dark contrast. I'm going to go to color balance. Maybe bring out some greens, some yellows, bring out some magenta a little bit. And as you can see, all your actions are being saved, all your edits. And let's say this is it, right? You're done editing this photo. This is how you want all your photos to look. You're going to go ahead and press stop. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and open another picture that you want to save these to. Now that you've saved your action batch, you're going to go over here and you're going to click open. And you're going to go to original photos. Let's say we want to edit this one. We're going to open it. So your picture is completely unedited, but as soon as you click the play button with this action selected, boom, there you have it. The black is cropped out. The hue and saturation are adjusted just like the previous photo. And that's how you do a batch of actions, and it saves you so much time. And it makes you work faster, and it's just super easy. So let's say you want to do the same thing to a whole folder of pictures to make your time efficiency even better. You're going to go over here and you're going to go File. You're going to go down to Automate. You're going to go to Batch. And you're going to have these options. So what you want to do is make sure everything's selected. Default actions. Your action, you want plant action to be the edits that you want. You're going to go to source. You're going to go to folder. You're going to choose the folder you want. So in this case, we want original photos. For some reason, I've tried really hard for my photos to appear here, but they're not appearing. But if they were there, you would just go ahead and select the folder. So all the pictures in this folder would go to the destination. You do the same thing. Folder, choose, but this time you go to edited photos. You open this one, select photos, and you would press OK, and that group of pictures, all of these, would appear edited in your edited folders folder. Sadly, my pictures didn't show up, but that's how you would do it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have fun editing and saving a lot of time.